It's Christmas in July, and today we're going to talk about Christmas mittens. I'm for big crochet. Hat warm, how you can keep your head warm, and how you can create awesome decorations for your home. And I'm going to show you how you can keep your hands warm with some very cute crochet patterns for Christmas mittens. Let's take a look. These are lovely fingerless gloves, elegant. I love the little rim here with the buttons. Another color. It's a very elegant look. I like the copper style of the buttons here. Beautiful. Here's some more shots of it. Very nice. Different ones with almost chevron-like stripes in them. I like this this color scheme. I also like these wavy stripes in them. Here's a different one with some, I don't know what they're called exactly, but this stitch is absolutely very cool and very appropriate for these mittens. This is the other side with the thumb. And here they are in action. It's quite a... I bet it's Christmas in July in this photo as well. It's so sunny. And these are very fluffy, elegant, awesome gloves. Look at them. How cool is it to put a fluffy yarn border on them? And here the other one again. And another action shot. How cool are they? Oh, here they are. And here they are without hands. I like the stitches used. They should work up fairly quickly. The great thing about fingerless gloves is that it's basically just a square piece of crochet work that you have to do. We have this one already. Oh, some reindeer ones. Adorable. You can make a little girl or a little boy, and different colors. Other reindeer ones, these are more for kids, I think. And we have a better shot of them. Yeah. These antlers make them look quite angry. They almost look like they're frowning with these antlers, don't they? Very cute. Ah, and here's a shot of the reindeer gloves. They're fingerless. That makes it a lot easier to crochet. And these are fun Santa hat and mittens, of course. We're taking a look at the mittens. Well, these are very, very elaborate. If you do want to get into the Christmas spirit, you can make these cool Santa mittens. I like the little loopy beard. That's so cute. And here's a Santa one and a cool snowman one. Yeah, very nice. And that's it for the mittens for today. I hope to see you again soon for more Christmas in July. And I wish you happy crocheting.